Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you an updated version of running Moonlight to your goggles. So if you don't know, or if you haven't seen my previous video, Moonlight is a way to stream your PC or your computer video or screen to your DJI FPV goggles. Earlier, the procedure for running Moonlight in your goggles and in your PC was involving CLI, command line interfaces like command prompt and PowerShell for the PC side, and the FPVWTF CLI for running the DJI Shim in the goggles. The developers have made a graphical user interface for Moonlight. So it's much easier now because it doesn't involve entering commands. I believe so. We'll see. We'll follow the guide and I'll show you everything what needs to be done. So for those who haven't tried Moonlight before, you need rooted goggles, or if your goggles are already rooted, you need to update them to the latest version. Power up your goggles, connect them to your PC, and open this FPV.WTF and make sure that you don't see any update notification here. That means that you have the latest version of WTFOS and the packages. Open the package tab, make sure you have the latest version of DJI Moonlight Shim. The current version as of this recording is 1.1.0. Alright, so once you are sure that you have the latest version of the DJI Moonlight Shim, power down your goggles as you don't need them right now. Close this window. The next step is to download the DJI Moonlight GUI. These two are I'd say the main contributors of this. So if after this video you are enjoying Moonlight Shim, don't forget to drop these guys some donation. I'll put the link in the description for donating to FPVWTF, and for not sure if there's a specific donation link for Moonlight, but anyway, they're still part of the FPVWTF team. Once you are on this page, you can see all the instructions given by the developers. They're very clear, very straightforward. I believe this page should be updated by them frequently. So if there's anything new, it should be shown here. What you need from this page is the releases. You have to right click and then open it in a new tab. Or you can just click directly on it. I like to keep the other tabs open. You will see this page, and these are all the versions of the Moonlight GUI. You can see it here. As of this moment, the latest version is 1.0.1, and download this one, the one with the zip extension. So as it looks like, it only works for Windows. Maybe there will be future compatibility with other operating systems, but not for now. So once you have downloaded a zip file, right click on it and extract everything. It should create a new folder with all the files inside. Open that folder. You should see DJI-Moonlight-GUI.exe. The next step is to set up your streaming service. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you're gonna use NVIDIA GeForce Experience. If you don't have an NVIDIA graphics card, then go to this section in the Moonlight GUI GitHub page. Scroll down until you see set up for AMD and Intel GPU. There you will find Sunshine. You are gonna use Sunshine instead of GeForce Experience. So I'm gonna move on because I have an NVIDIA graphics card. Maybe I'll try it out sometime. I don't have good internet connection right now, so I can't download and try this method. Before we proceed to setting up GeForce Experience, we're gonna have to change one setting. This is especially for Windows 11 users. We need to go to Settings, open Settings, and go to Display. Scroll down, go to Graphics, and then change default graphics settings. and you need to make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is off. This is for Windows 11 users. So once it's off, or if it's already off, you can go ahead and close this setting. Then proceed to GeForce Experience. It should be here on the system tray. If you don't find it, it's here in the hidden icons. Click on this. Right click on the NVIDIA settings and click GeForce Experience. Don't left click. You right click on it and hit GeForce Experience. Once it's open, go to Settings, go to Shield, and turn on Gamestream. Once it's on, you can add the games that you want to stream or the apps that you want to stream. I want to add Velocidrone and Uncrashed. So to do that, I'm gonna hit Add. Locate your game directory, and then Uncrashed. I have VCL as well, but I'm just gonna use Uncrashed for this. Once it should be there, then I'm gonna add one more. I'm gonna add Velocidrone. I've already done this before, but I just want to show it to you again. So like in this situation, I forgot where I have installed my game. So I'm gonna go to my shortcut in the desktop, right click on it, open file location, and just click on the empty space on the right, copy everything, close, and tap. It will go back to the GeForce Experience browse window, and then click on this empty space, paste what you have copied, and here we go. So it's pointing to the launcher. I'm gonna try to put the launcher. We'll see. If it doesn't work, then you need to go to app and add this one. But on the last video, I used this one. This time I'm gonna add the launcher just to try. Okay, it's showing launcher. Maybe I should add. Nah, we'll see. Okay, one more thing. If you want to stream your whole desktop, like you just wanna for experiment or something else that you want, you can do that by adding a certain program. You should go to C and find Windows System 32. Where is it? Right here. And scroll. You can click on one of the apps and press M and find this program name MSTSC. This one. MSTSC.exe. Add this one, and if you stream this in Moonlight, you will stream everything. Your whole desktop will be streamed to your goggles. So once you are happy with the apps that you have here, you can close GeForce Experience. You don't need this right now. Go back to the folder where you have your Moonlight GUI extracted. I'm gonna open it, double click, and this window will pop up. So the first thing you need to do is to pair Moonlight to your GeForce Experience. I'm gonna click pair, and this window should pop out. Just copy the code here. I'm gonna click 7155 and click connect, and it should show successfully paired. So you see here, there is a command. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Moonlight pair I've shown this previously on the last video, but this time you don't need to type anything. You just need to click. All right. Next step is to power up your goggles. Before connecting your goggles by USB, make sure it has successfully booted up. If you have installed the Moonlight correctly from the FPVWTF configurator, when you press the menu, You can see here Moonlight. So now we're gonna start Moonlight just by clicking, and it should run. You are gonna see it shows now waiting for connection, and you can exit by pressing back. These are some new improvements on the app in the goggles. Once that is running, plug in your USB connection. It's not gonna show anything. Make sure that the FPVWTF configurator is closed. All right. Now I'm gonna select bulk. Previously, these were identified as net mode and USB mode. From my testing, USB mode, or this time bulk mode, works much more stable compared to net mode or RNDIS. So for now, let's try bulk. And then bitrate, let's stick to 20 for now. And same with FPS, we'll stick to 120. And resolution to 1440 810. We'll keep it at that for now. On this section, you can choose which app you want to stream. Right now, I cannot click this. So what you need to do is you need to click refresh. And you're gonna see all the apps that you have. I want to stream Uncrashed, which is Unreal Engine. So from this section, we're gonna have to find Unreal Engine. This is the one. So once you have selected that, click the stream. Let's see what's happening inside the goggles. Oh, it started streaming everything. Oh, it's opening Steam now. Start in offline mode. So maybe it's a good idea to run the game first. Okay. Oh, it will actually run the game. Okay, it's a bit delayed for now. I can see some lag. We'll try to fix it later. I'm gonna go to graphics. Windows full screen. Okay, I'm just gonna go play. Let's go to Forest Bendo. I'm gonna go get my controller. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wear the goggles, otherwise I'm just playing from the computer. Okay, I have to remove the GoPro. Alrighty, so now there's some lag. It's choppy. Okay, it's choppy. Let's see if I can tweak some settings. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna remove my goggles. I'm gonna try some different settings. I'm gonna stop. You see here there are some errors showing. It says video decode unit queue overflow. I believe it means that there are some frames that could not be accepted or streamed. So let's try to reduce maybe we need to increase the bitrate to 100. Okay, hit stream. See what happens. My goggles rebooted. I'm gonna disconnect the USB. Hit stop again. And I'm gonna start Moonlight again. Connect my goggles. Hit stream. Okay, this time is... Wow. This time it's different. Maybe increasing the... Wow, it's also so clear. Okay, this is the first time I have tried 100 megabits per second. Okay, okay, that is something. Wow. Wow. Now it's completely playable. And let me move the mouse. It's annoying. I shouldn't really be seeing the mouse. Oh, there we go. It's gone. That other drone is me. That's my previous self. Whoa. Oh, see, I followed you. And that was the wrong move. Wow, this is so cool experience. Just for information, I'm using the V1 goggles. I imagine the V2 will perform better, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they'd be the same. Oh. Oh. Whoa, 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 it's so blurry. Let's go to... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where should we go? The dock. Okay, my mouse is a bit choppy. Why? Oh, because it's on a different place. Let's see now how it goes. We are in the dock. Wow, I must say this experience is so nice. Of course, nothing beats a real life flying, but this is somewhere close. The thing is, when beginners are practicing in the simulator, they're usually looking at the screen, so it doesn't simulate the part where you fly the drone in FPV mode, that you don't see everything else, like your controller. For instance, your controller, when you are in the goggles, you will not be able to see your remote. So there is that part that doesn't get simulated if you are practicing in the simulator, watching at the screen. So this way, that part gets practiced, and when they go for the real thing, they're actually used to it. They will not get the shock of not seeing their sticks or the switches that they need to use if in case they need to arm or disarm or change flight modes. Okay, enough with that talking. Let's I'm gonna say that 100 Mbps is looking so nice, but there's a bit of it's not lag, but choppiness on the screen. Maybe because its quality is too high. Let me land this here, and I'm gonna stop the stream. I'm gonna try to see all these errors. I'm gonna try to reduce the bitrate to say 80 megabits per second, and then hit stream again. Okay, nothing. Probably we need to restart Moonlight in the goggles. So I'm gonna force stop. I'm gonna press back here. It should exit Moonlight in your goggles. Start it again. It's showing waiting for connection. And hit stream again. Okay, we're back. If you're having delays, maybe try to put the same frame rate of your display and use the same frame rate in Moonlight as well. Okay, there's still some choppiness, but it's really less right now. I'm pretty sure if I reduce the frame rate to 60, it will be so much better. But I'm experimenting with the bitrate for now. Okay guys, that's it for me. I'm just enjoying here now, nothing much for me to tell you. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Make sure you hit the like button. That's all I'm asking. Alright, that's it. If I have good connection, then I can respond to your questions. If not, you're gonna have to wait some time, or you're gonna find someone else, or you can join the Discord server of Moonlight and or FPVWTF. The guys are very helpful there. That's it. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.